Assalamualaikum viewers. I hope you are doing well. Today we have a Lenovo laptop. This is not turning on, and it is a graphic laptop. You can see here I am switching it on, but see, this is the ampere behavior. When I press switch on, just a little variation in the amperes, but not takes load. So let's try to repair it. Let's start video. First of all, set the meter at B continuity mode, and let's check the shortage in the motherboard. 3 volt, okay. 5 volt, no shortage. RAM supply also okay. Chipset supply also okay. There is no shortage detected in any coil. Let's check the impedance now. Let's check 19 voltage. 19 volt looks short. You can see now zero impedance at 19 voltage line. This is the main supply line for all the sections. So shortage found now. So let's open the motherboard from body and check in detail which component specifically is short. So here is I checked 19 voltage line short, and there are a lot of components like capacitor and many FETs are there that are responsible or that are connected with the 19 voltage line. So one of them is faulty. So this is difficult to detect which one is short. So I will give some voltage manually to the 19 voltage line. So the short component or faulty component will blown up or get heated. So in this way we can detect which one is not okay. So we will replace that. Now let's connect ground, and red cable is for voltage, black is for ground. So this is the pad for the processor core supply. We will disconnect it. In this way, the processor core supply is 19 voltage will be disconnected by the main line. So after that, we will check the side of processor is short or the side of other motherboard other portion is short. I give supply here, and I check the processor is getting heated slightly, very low heat, but no other component or area is detecting heating up or no smoke is there. So I think there is a supply of processor have some problem. So let's check specifically processor core supply. Now let's remove the supply core supply FETs and capacitors all together. and we will check which component of them is short. That short component we will replace. So with the heat gun, I am removing the FETs and capacitors of core voltage of processor. So guys, as I removed all the capacitors and FETs, let's check now the shortage is gone or still there. Shortage has been gone, and I found capacitor is short. This capacitor is short, and from motherboard section there is no shortage. So it means only this one capacitor was short. Now I will solder all these capacitor and FETs that are okay. I will solder it back and replace with a new capacitor that was short, and let's check then after resoldering the components we removed from both sides. I will solder back capacitor and FETs from where I pulled them. Almost all the components are soldered back. Now I will check again to confirm with all these components. Now it is okay. I will clean it now because there is too much soldering paste on it. So you can use petrol or the high octane thinner. Both of them work fine. Using cotton bud, I cleaned all the dirty area that was dirty due to the soldering paste. After cleaning, I checked again all the capacitor and supply section of both sides of the pad PJ3001. As you can see, this is open yet. And after checking, I will solder these 2 points, and after making connection of it, let's check the status of motherboard with the adapter. Now you can see it is consuming some supply. So let's turn it on, and it is consuming amperes properly. Almost 1.2 amperes, 1.2, 1.3 amperes it is consuming. So motherboard is in on condition right now. So let's check it properly by fixing it in the body and connecting with the screen. Let's take display. You can see motherboard is connected with the screen, and everything is connected. So plug in the adapter. and let's switch it on. And now you can see the display. The laptop is working now, Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any problem, you can discuss in the comments. If you like the video, comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.